Today is the day. We're gonna get an oil change on the Mustang. Now it just got in. It says it has 43% oil life. I just checked the oil and it's very light brown. But I got time today and I know it's not this oil. So for the oil change, I'm just gonna be needing these two ramps, 15, 7mm socket, some really good oil. And this Phoenix heat is gonna start beating. That's half the reason why I wanna do the oil change anyway, because I know it's good oil. And I know in about 2 hours, the sun's about to start hoeing everybody. So let's get this done real quick. Get that good oil in and reset the oil life after 4,000 miles. Front of the car, we're getting rid of the splitter for the RTR in front. You can see this belly pan for the front is down. Got about 20 screws here. Gonna get this thing looking a lot better. That's what it looks like under there. Got this lame one off. Now all there to do is clean up the underside and wait for FedEx to get here. It does look strange without the splitter though. My splitter just got here about 10 minutes ago. This is what it looks like. Put it on the whip, take her out because I ain't drove it in about 4 days. This is about to be set. Looks the same color and design, not design, same material as this. Exact same color. And here we are with the finished product.